Case name Santosh, age is 26 years, and today date is 24th October 2025, and complaint of childish voice even after puberty, and ENT finding is sulcus vocalis and phonatory gap. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Yeah, my name is Santosh. So I am from Bangalore. So I am facing high pitch voice issue and childish since birth. So I never went to any hospital. So after seeing many videos in YouTube, I came to Sanjay Speech.
Posted a video of Santosh, and today date is 30th of October 2025. So Santosh, just tell us what was the exactly problem, why you came, and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
So before I was facing a high pitch voice issue, and it was very slow. Whenever I speak to someone, it was not clear. So after taking a days of therapy, so my voice is very clear now. So
and you did laryngoscopy also. So what was the laryngoscopy finding?
It was sulcus phonatory gap in the vocal cords.
So what was suggested by your surgeon?
Yeah, surgeon suggested you should go through the surgery.
Yeah, so my suggestion is before going for the surgery, at least you should try once voice therapy. I know that sulcus vocalis phonatory gap is very, very challenging to treat by the voice therapy, but reaching on the decision for surgery before that, at least once you should try voice therapy from a professional who are expert in voice disorder. And you recorded one voice sample first day and today. So can you describe the difference?
First day I recorded like it was very slow, sir. Whenever I speak to someone, it was not able to understand. Then after taking the treatment, then I can see the difference in the 8 days. I can speak very clearly. So I have some good confidence now to speak to someone. So,
okay, great.
Yeah.
And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive change, like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And can we use a video for awareness purpose?
Yeah, sure,
social
sir,
media
you
pages?
can.
Thanks for the permission.
Yeah, thank you.
And thanks for watching.
Yeah.